To enter a Prizepicks code, start by opening the Prizepicks app or website on your device. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have an account, navigate to the Promotions or Rewards section of the platform. Look for the option to enter a promo code, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Click on this option to open a text box where you can enter your code. Carefully type in the Prizepicks code, making sure to enter it exactly as it appears, including any uppercase or lowercase letters and numbers. After entering the code, click the Submit or Apply button to redeem your reward. If the code is valid, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the code has been successfully applied to your account. You can then use the reward to make picks and potentially win prizes on the Prizepicks platform. Some key concepts to keep in mind when entering a Prizepicks code include making sure the code is valid and has not expired, as well as understanding the terms and conditions of the reward. It is also important to only enter codes from trusted sources to avoid scams or phishing attempts. As a best practice, always read the terms and conditions of the reward before entering the code, and make sure you understand how the reward works and what you need to do to redeem it. Additionally, be sure to only enter one code at a time, as entering multiple codes can sometimes cause errors or result in the codes not being applied correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily enter a Prizepicks code and start using your reward to make picks and potentially win prizes. Remember to always follow the instructions carefully and only enter codes from trusted sources to ensure a safe and successful experience on the Prizepicks platform.